What's up, guys? Trucker's Life, and I'm back. 2 days in a row, I know, right? But I'm hungry, and let's cut to the chase. And grab this, what I need back here real quick. Don't eat that yet. My cilantro. Got me some queso fresca. Some lime juice, some green chilies. Because being a truck driver, it's hard to find fresh lime, so you get the next best thing, organic lime juice. Some roasted green chilies. Y'all getting the gist of it, huh? A little bit, huh? So, I got the steam tray out today. We're gonna start with a little butter. I don't like boiling my chicken. I know that's what most people do. I don't do that. I don't boil chicken. Period. Because when you boil it, you lose the flavor. Put butter down here. Oil. Boneless, skinless, thin sliced chicken breast. I know y'all be tripping, huh? I'll be having all kind of food, huh? All good food. Good food. There we go. Where did I put that damn bag at? Oh, right below my head. It's right under y'all. Okay. See? Thin sliced. Oh, you might want to turn this on, huh? But that's fine. Thin sliced chicken breast. I'm only going to use like 3. Damn, these are actually bigger than I thought they were. Sheesh. Might only be 4 in here. Yeah, I'd rather make too much than not make enough. Because I know y'all see the tray up there. That's what I'm using for my enchiladas. Oh, shit, I wasn't even supposed to tell y'all. Damn it. See, I can't hold a secret. To save my life. Yeah, I can't ask the daughter. Damn it, where'd I put my can opener? Okay, I'm gonna have to do a little improvising. Put out the baby. Just go like this. Get under and just peel it open. Yeah, you learn some tricks as a truck driver. There we go. Do the same with this side. Just bend it back, see? Right out. Open can. You just kind of pour some on there. Yeah, I like the juice and all. God, it's hot in here. There we go. Take some of this garlic. Don't want too much garlic on this. There we go. Onion powder. Lime juice. bottom. And last but not least, actually this is not last but not least, almost forgot my salt. Had to get some new sea salt. Can't use pink Himalayan pink salt on everything. Some pure sea salt, fine granules. Just some salt on there, just natural salt. And then of course, the white pepper. And last but not least, now I can say that, the cilantro. Cilantro, y'all. There we go. Y'all won't believe what happened the other day. I'm gonna turn this into a little story time as well while I'm cooking. Y'all won't believe what happened yesterday. I was at the truck stop, right? And I'm asleep. I get woken up in the middle of the night, somebody's rattling my door. They got the surprise of their life. Let me just say, they won't come to this truck again. I got protection. I got to protect myself to make sure I'm here for my daughter. Yes, we're going to let this cook up. Actually, what I'm going to do, because I didn't mix it around at all, and that's what I'm about to do right now. So all the chicken around, so all of it gets some of that good flavor on it. Oh, you can smell it. Oh, that smells delicious, y'all. And then when this gets done, I'm going to chop it up. And of course, I got the tortillas. And welcome to Trucker's Life, y'all. While y'all at it, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, leave some comments, y'all. And don't forget to share it. Show people, hey, this truck driver eat good on the road. But I got a question. What y'all think about my taste test yesterday? That dude had to be my favorite taste test. I ain't even gonna front. That dude was hilarious. His bite when he was, because he doubted me at first. The dude flat out said, nah, man, I don't trust it. I said, okay, if it ain't good, I told him I'll give him $100 if it ain't good. That's how much I believe in my craft. He says, prove it to me, you got $100. I said, all right. I did just like this. Of course, Cowboys took out $100. Took out $100, set it right in front of him. He was like, okay, so you that confident in your food? I said, man, I'm more than confident. I know what I'm doing. He said, well, prove to me that you actually cook like that all the time. So I showed him some of my pictures from the videos. He was like, bro, you cook like that in your truck? I said, yeah. Well, he goes, okay. I said, I need your reaction for my channel, though. He was like, if it's good, you don't even have to pay me for the video. I said, I'm not paying you for the video. I'm paying you just in case my food nasty. This is me telling you I got confidence in my cooking. And he tried it, and y'all saw his reaction. That man, that was hilarious. But back to the story I was saying. Yeah, man, I was after I popped out the curtain and scared the shit out the person. And like I said, needless to say, they won't be coming back to this truck again. I don't play that. You don't just come. I hear my door shaking. Yeah, I lock my door every day. I make sure my shit lock. I got a button back here, just pushing it, it unlocks. I mean, it locks. It don't unlock, it locks. And yeah, when you see some power pointed out the window. Oh, go ahead, step in here. I got all legal rights to do what I got to do to save myself. But that's why y'all don't, this truck life ain't no joke, y'all. This trucker's life, it ain't about just driving and having kumbaya moments. This is real. People look at us and think, oh, we're just a walking meal ticket. Not this one. Not this one. But all right, y'all, I'll be back. Y'all, we back. I gotta flip this chicken. I don't want it to cook too firm, you know what I mean? But then again, I kind of like that char flavor to it too. So I'm gonna give it like a medium. It's gonna be cooked all the way through, but it's gonna get a small little sear on it. If y'all could smell this in here, y'all would hate me. Oh shoot, I almost forgot something. Hold on, let me grab it. My jalapeno powder. Y'all know I got spices on this truck. I got seasoning galore on this bitch. I need to get some damn pork chunks so I can make some carnitas. That's what I want to do. Truck made carnitas. Y'all tell me, does that sound good? If so, I'll stop by the store tomorrow and grab some pork. Or just get some, oh, that jalapeno got me. Got up my nose. Okay. All right, y'all. I'll be back.
You'll just have it.
Y'all, I'm back. And now we're about to take the chicken out, cut it up, and get the enchiladas going. Let me show y'all what we did with the chicken. Y'all love me, right? Yeah. Chicken. Oh, goodness gracious. Goodness gracious, baby. Trucker's Life at it again with the bullshit. I'm about to tear these bitches up tonight. I'm about to tear it up tonight, y'all. I'm about to tear this up tonight. And of course, I got my chopping board out, as y'all see, made by one of the greatest YouTubers to ever walk this earth, Cowboy Joe Boo. Y'all see the logo? He made this thing in his shop from just leftover wood. That's amazing to me, because I didn't have nobody to teach me that kind of stuff. But let me take this chicken out. Oh, if y'all can smell this, y'all see that steam? Yes, sir. And I'm not throwing this away, because this I'm actually going to use. Turn it off, of course. Oh boy. See, this is the hard part. Is being in a truck, you gotta find creative ways to position things. Okay, I just put it right there. Yeah, these tortillas. The tortillas. hell did I put that knife? Boy. Welcome to the Trucker's Life, y'all. I'm just gonna use my Cowboys knife, which obviously always works better because it's Cowboys, baby. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh, that's hot. Goodness, let me grab a fork. Hold on. There we go. See how it just kind of falls apart? That's the best way to know your chicken is good. Here we go. Shredding as I'm cutting it. I'm trying to leave strips so you have some bite to it, but it's shredding as I cut it. It's just falling apart. I know boiling it makes it softer and all that extra stuff, but I don't like boiled chicken. I really don't. Back together. Oh, I left a big chunk. I didn't realize that. And y'all wasn't even gonna tell me, huh? Hey, but I got to shout out Vach. Man, you were the first person to promote my channel, Cowboy Joe Boo. You came in right after that. It was like, man, y'all check him out. And I appreciate y'all for that. Y'all so much bigger than me, and for y'all to be so humble, I appreciate it. You have no idea. Alright, y'all. I cut them in strips to cut them into chunks. I look for my big knife because that's what I used to cut up or open up the cans. I can't find my damn can opener. Ooh wee. Ooh. pieces. You're going to still have some big chunks. I'm going to tell you that right now. Big chunks don't bother me, but I want a different size. I don't want a consistent size, because then it takes away from the fun. There we go. Take these tones back. Right back into this juice. I know this is going to be a long video tonight, y'all. Around in there, let all that flavors get in there some more. Try some of this chicken. I gotta try it. Oh, yes. Turn that back on. Let that cook a little bit. Well, not cook a little bit, but let it heat up a little bit. Time to get this out. Actually, no. Let me wait on that. Time to pour this baby out. I love this cheese. Look, how it just crumbles. Love it, love it, love it. It was like the best tasting cheese in the world. And I was surprised they had this brand at the store I got it at. I love how this cheese just kind of crumbles. See? Man, y'all. Yes, sir. Okay. This is where we about to... No, I'm not making sauce from scratch. I'm using La Victoria. down. I'm gonna pour some of the sauce at the bottom. There we go. Just kind of mix it around, make sure all the bottom gets coated with it. I'll put that up there. Here's the tortillas. Trust me, that's not the only cheese I'm using either. And I'm gonna check some of these out. Put them on top of here real quick. Because when you're in a truck, you gotta improvise with your space because you don't have a lot of it. Take a little bit of this, sprinkle it around, sprinkle it, here we go. Just put it up here. Hopefully it can stay. Take the lid back off. Mix this around some more. Take a nice scoop of it. Don't want all the juice to come out. A little bit more cheese on there. A little bit more chicken. Okay. Oh, the jalapenos go on top. Never mind. I was thinking about putting the jalapenos inside, but jalapenos are not easy to find, I guess, in California. Here we go. Roll it up. Put it on top of that cup right there. There we go. Wrong way. Turn it over. There we go. And do the same thing. And when I'm done, y'all, I'll be back. Holla at you. Alright, y'all, I'm back. Just got done rolling up all these right here. Gonna put some more sauce on top. Okay. Is that? Some more green chilies on top. Mix them around a little bit so they're not all in clumps. I like that. I like that. A little bit of lime juice on top. Just a little bit. You don't want to put too much. Oh, I forgot to turn my steam tray off. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put these in here. Yeah, I forgot to move my seasoning. Yeah, I got a tortilla I need to put back in the container. Alright, with the rest of the tortillas, I got the zip tie still. And then what I'm going to do is put a little bit of onion powder on top. Just a little bit, just to give it a little zing. Not a lot. Then I'm gonna let this cook. We'll put this right here in this trash bag. Yeah, it's a cup of ice. I just like cold water. But alright, y'all, time to put it in. I ain't covering nothing. I'll cover it when the cheese. Actually, you know what? I won't cover it when the cheese gets put on because I like toasted. I like the cheese toasted. And this is actually. Oh, but y'all. Y'all know tomorrow's game day. I'm pulling the Cowboys tennis shoes out, y'all. Yeah, that's what I'm wearing tomorrow. That's what I'm wearing tomorrow. Got the other one right here, so y'all know I ain't capping. Pulled them out today, well, a little bit ago. See, this is all the cheese I have, all the cotija or queso fresca cheese I have. Don't judge me. Yes, I have a list, and it works with my Spanish. So good, y'all. I love this fucking cheese. I can eat this cheese all day if I could. Ooh, that's good. Cowboys Joe Boo. Go subscribe to his channel. Mark Holmes, I believe it is. But y'all are amazing. I love every single one of y'all. And I'll holler at y'all in a minute. And I messed up on the video because I got challenged to a cookout. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Should I do it? But I already put the cheese and jalapenos and green chilies on top. So now, only thing I got left to do, I got one more step that I like to do with my enchiladas. Y'all see the new can of, yeah, I know I cut it open on the wrong end, but it is what it is. But this is what they look like so far. Y'all ready? Here you go. That's what they look like so far. And now what I'm gonna do is pour some enchilada sauce on top. Just get that in there. Nice, real nice like. Get a nice layer on top. And I know this sounds weird, but this is what I do. Just kind of poke it around a little bit so some of that sauce can seep in. Because y'all saw I already used one can. There we go. And then I just spread the sauce around so it gets all in there. Now, put this knife right there. No, I didn't use Old Bay, but it was in front of my things that I did use. So it just kind of got taken out on accident. So now let's heat it up a little bit more. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn it off, bake, turn it down to about 250, and then start. Add food, okay, already added. But y'all, this is gonna be delicious, y'all. Delicious. And I'll be back again. Sorry, I know the video's I told y'all the video's gonna be long. It's showing y'all every step. I forgot the part of me putting the jalapenos, the green chilies, and the cheese on. But hey, it's gonna be worth it, trust me. I'll let y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all, we back. And taking the enchiladas out. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Enchiladas are done. Now I'm just thinking how the hell I'm gonna get them out. Fuck. Oh, I know how. Right here. Put that down. Grab a plate. Sorry. I got my spoons in the wrong, my silver in the wrong area. Put those up there. Grab my plate. ready? Let me see. Y'all ready for this visual? Is y'all ready for this visual? Is y'all ready? That's what they look like, y'all. That's what they look like. That is what they look like. Now, let's cut them up. Gonna go inside, see if anybody want to test it. Let's go see if anybody want to test my food tonight. See if I gotta show some people off today. Go see if I gotta show anybody off today, y'all. Or show anybody up today, I should say. Because I always get somebody that doubts it. And then I make them test it, and then they love me. And they become a subscriber. That's how I've grown my channel, by having taste testers. If y'all have tested my food, and you're on my channel, let the people know. Let them know what my food tastes like. We are gonna go inside. I'm gonna turn this on. I'm gonna keep it at. I'm gonna turn it down to 185 so it don't burn nothing. I really like for the truck stop workers to try my food, but we'll see. We will see. Right now, y'all, and be right back. Back, y'all, at another truck stop. Let's see what she...
After a quarter mile, turn left and enter the highway. After a quarter mile, turn left and enter the highway.
That's it.
Made in my truck.
All right. How are we doing that?
Huh?
How are you making them? Hot plate?
Huh?
Hot plate?
No, my 7-in-1.
Oh, yeah?
Have a 7-in-1. I have a grill. Well, a smokeless grill that plugs into my AP unit. Oh, yeah.
You got it.
How you doing, sir?
You ever what's running?
Hard to believe that somebody makes that in their truck.
Right, yes. I have a friend that's a truck driver and all he does is eat fast food because he doesn't.
That's why I started my channel, is to show other truck drivers how to cook in their truck. Because everything I make, well, the enchilada sauce I did make from scratch this time. But I used...
That wasn't on purpose this time.
Come here real quick.
Amber.
Come here real quick.
Hello guys, welcome in. I'm not here.
Yeah, you are. I made some enchiladas. Chicken enchiladas. Try it out.
Wendy's can't break 100.
Okay, what you needing?
I just made some change. Can I get
Try it.
Try it.
Yeah, my YouTube channel is about how I cook in my truck. Just showing other truck drivers that we can do it instead of eating fast food every day.
cook in your truck?
Yeah.
What you cook in your truck?
I made chicken enchiladas tonight.
Inside your truck?
Mm-hmm.
My man.
60, 65, 70, 75,
And she's about to try. Let's see if she likes it.
No, that's your food.
Yeah.
Oh, pork the other day.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, it was so good.
Let's see her reaction. Cause I just did it yesterday with a seafood cookout in Oregon.
Yeah.
And the guy, he doubted me because he's like, I don't trust. I was like, hey. I told him, if you don't like it, I'll give you $100.
You liked it.
Oh, he loved it.
What, like a microwave?
No, I have a whole bunch of things in my truck to cook on.
Yeah.
Right? Can have it. $100
You like that?
makes you want to slap your mom.
You said what? You said what?
Say it again.
Say it again.
I said it's so good, it makes you want to slap your mama.
Hey, did y'all see her reaction when I told her to try it? I get that reaction every time until they try it.
Right? I get what you're saying.
Because a lot of people, like yesterday I was in Oregon, and it's on my channel too.
All our chicken's the same price. I've got 5 pounds, 7 pounds, 9 pounds, 1 pound.
Yeah, I was in Northern Oregon, and I was at a truck stop, and I made a seafood boil with some chili garlic shrimp. And the guy was doubting me. He was about to eat a cup of noodles instead of my food. And I brought a plate in. And he was like, no, there's no way you made that in your truck. And I said, try it out. If you don't like it, I'll give you $100 right now. He bit into it, and he was like, oh, no.
After a quarter mile, turn left and enter the highway. After a quarter mile, turn left and enter the
Another successful taste test. Hey, y'all, this builds my confidence up big time. Because every time somebody's tried my food, they loved it. And you guys have no idea. I ain't trying to find another Martin driver at a truck stop, but hey, y'all know what I do. And I love y'all. But hey, if y'all strive for excellence, put your mind to it and you can succeed. I'm telling you. I've had this channel for a few months now. No, it's not monetized yet because I do all my promotions myself. Everything I do on my channel is through my footwork. But hey, I'll holler at y'all. Love y'all. And I'm out.